I just got a package. This one is body pillow for my husband. I purchased from SHEIN. Before that, I had no idea about anything else besides clothing that SHEIN selling. I have never looked until I purchased shoes from SHEIN. Then I explore more what SHEIN selling, and then I picked this one for my husband instead of the old one that I got from eBay, like the curved body for pregnant women. He doesn't like, then I give away. And then I also order king set sheet from SHEIN first time too. I haven't go out for a while, then I would like to get a new set of sheet. Then I checked and found on SHEIN. I ordered the first one. The printed is cute polar bear, the white bear, and also a pair of bear pillowcases. I was looking for plain pillowcases because my husband doesn't like cute print like this, but I didn't see anything that I like until I saw this bear and thought about my sister pillowcases decoration at her house in Thailand. She has pink bears, pink kitty cat, and the pillow body cover can take apart to watch. I like it. I watch everything before use it because I am allergic, and I had experience that I did watch the pillowcases, the bedsheet, and then I used them for the first night. I was very itchy. Then everything new I watch before I use. And then I order one top, knitting top against the waist. I have similar waist like this. I purchased from Thailand since I came here, and it is a little bit small because I gain a lot. And also pants for myself. This time I order all striped pants. I like the striped pants because the first one I got from SHEIN is cute. And then I would like to get more. The fabric is soft. I don't know what is that, but it's soft. I mentioned about watch before use them, including my clothing too. Because of allergy, I don't want to take risks. Itchy and then rash and then need to see doctor. In factory, there is a lot of dust. I guess I watched clothing factory online, fabric and dust, thread, everything that they use for sewing or dust. That's all for my video today. Thank you for stopping by, listen to me, and enjoy shopping, especially my style cheap fashion. Have a great day. Bye.